Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Last time we made 16 cups, but the code is still a bit, it's not bad, but I think we can improve it, because every time we want a cup on some place that's not at 0, 0, we have to call translate. But we can also just say we declare the variables here. By default, I want x, y, and z to be 0. We can comment out that code for a moment so it doesn't run, so nothing happens, and just say cup, so it's at 0, 0, 0, and then we say translate x, y, z. It's still at 0, 0, 0, and I can specify any one of those and change it. So if I say y is 10 and z is 50, then it moves up and over, right? Did it move? Did it move on the side? Yes, it did. So, and I don't even have to give it in the same order, because I can still say x is 100 and then it moves there. Which makes it easier and cleaner. So if you have to look in the code later, I can just say I should name that differently. Just no, that's I should name those differently so there's no confusion. X is x offset, and y is y offset.